In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple to-do list using Google Sheets. This is an easy and effective way to organize tasks, priorities, and track progress directly in a tool you are probably already familiar with. Whether you're managing personal tasks or collaborating with colleagues, this guide will walk you through setting up your own to-do list with just a few simple steps. To get started, open a new or existing Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, you can access it through your Google account by navigating to Google Drive and selecting New to create a spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open and ready, let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to select the cell where you plan to begin your to-do list. Click on the cell where you want to start entering your tasks. Typically, you might choose a column header, such as Task, to keep everything organized. This organization is crucial for the functionality of our list, as it allows you to add new tasks seamlessly. After selecting your starting point, create a label for the priority column. To do this, select a range of cells next to your task column to store the different priority levels for your tasks. This will involve clicking and dragging across the cells where you want your priority options to be displayed. The idea here is to have a simple way to categorize tasks based on their urgency or importance. Now, let's bring in some Google Sheets functionality. Head over to the top menu and click on Data. This opens a drop-down menu from which you can select Data Validation. It's a powerful feature that allows you to control what data is entered into a spreadsheet, ensuring it fits your criteria. This is where the magic of creating a dynamic to-do list takes place. Once you have the data validation window open, click on Add Rule. This will help you specify the criteria for what can be entered into the priority column. Think of this as setting up the rules for your game, ensuring that users of the list only have the correct options. Here, you'll want to type in a list of options for your priorities, such as high, medium, and low. This is done by selecting List from a range and then entering your options. It helps in standardizing how priorities are captured, making it easy to visually scan the list. Next, add a touch of color to correspond with each priority option. You can do this by setting conditional formatting rules that apply a different color to each priority level. This visual cue makes it easier to see at a glance which tasks need immediate attention. Once you've set up your options and their corresponding colors, click Done to apply the rules. In the status column, select a range of cells where you will add checkboxes by clicking Insert from the menu and selecting Checkbox. This adds an interactive element to your list, allowing you to easily mark tasks as complete once they're done. And there you have it, a simple, effective to-do list in Google Sheets. This setup not only keeps you organized, but also provides a visual representation of your task management, all hosted conveniently in the cloud. Happy organizing!